Hello, my dear English learners. I'm so glad you're here today. Truly, thank you for showing up again. Or if this is your first day joining, that's okay too. You're right on time. Before we jump in, take a deep breath. Make yourself comfortable. Maybe you have a warm cup of tea or coffee with you. This time is just for you, and I'm right here with you. My name is Noor, and I absolutely love teaching English. Now we're focusing on shadowing English practice. But what exactly is shadowing? In simple words, shadowing is a really helpful way to improve your speaking, pronunciation, grammar, and intonation. In our sessions on English Podcast, you listen to a sentence and then you repeat it out loud, trying to match my rhythm, my voice, and even the pauses. You're not just learning words. You're learning how to sound natural in real, everyday English conversations. So how are you doing today? Did something make you smile, or was it a tough day? Either way, you made it here and I'm proud of you. Maybe you're feeling a little nervous about speaking. That's completely okay. Learning a new language takes courage. You're not alone. I'm here to support you every step of the way. If you're wondering how to actually improve your speaking, the answer isn't complicated. You need to speak out loud every day, even just for a few minutes. There is no secret formula. The magic is already within you. But how do you do that when no one's around to talk to? That's where shadowing comes in. It's like training your mouth and brain at the same time. And it's a very powerful technique to improve your English speaking skills. Even just 5 minutes of shadowing each day can help you sound more fluent and more natural. It helps with grammar, with speaking confidence, with pronunciation. And don't worry, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to practice with love, with patience, and with consistency. So welcome again to day 2 of your 10-day Shadowing English Speaking Challenge. We're in this together. I'm here with you, cheering you on. You can do this. Today we will practice 30 sentences together. You'll hear each sentence 3 times and we'll pause in between. That gives your brain time to listen, understand, and speak. And a quick note about intonation. That's the rise and fall of your voice. English has a kind of musical pattern, and it's important if you want to sound confident and fluent. Shadowing helps with that too. Let me know in the comments, where are you joining from today? How long have you been learning English? A few weeks? A few years? Are you at A1, A2, B1 level? Why are you learning English? Maybe for travel, for work, for school? Let's make this a community where we all learn together. Ready? Awesome. So here's how it works. I'll say a sentence. You'll hear it 3 times, slowly and clearly. After each one, you'll get a pause so you can repeat it. And please, no whispering. You need to speak out loud. Remember, you don't have to be perfect. Just try. That's how progress happens. And if you like writing things down, grab a notebook. Some learners find it helpful to write the sentence first and then say it out loud. And one last request before we get started. Promise me that you won't give up on this challenge. Not today, not tomorrow, not ever. Promise? Awesome. I knew you won't. Beautiful. Let's begin. I wake up early to practice my English. I look up new words in the dictionary. I try to figure out the meaning of each phrase. I write down new expressions in my notebook. I speak aloud to work on my pronunciation. I try not to give up when I feel stuck. I pause and think when a sentence is hard to understand. I often come across difficult words, and I try to learn their meaning. I listen to positive words and motivate myself daily. I come up with new ways to practice every day. Well done! We just completed 10 sentences together. Take a deep breath, sip your tea. Don't worry, I'll wait. Ready? Awesome. Let's continue. I go over my notes before bed. I pick up new words when I talk to native speakers. I break down long sentences to understand them better. I keep on practicing even when I feel tired. I check in with my progress every week. I speak up in class to get more confident. I calm down when I feel nervous during speaking. I log in to my favorite English learning app daily. I look out for opportunities to speak English. I back myself up when I make a mistake. Wonderful job! That's 20 sentences done. I am so proud of you. Ready for the last 10 sentences? Awesome. Let's do it. I try to catch up on my English lessons every weekend. I log out of social media when I need to focus. I run into new vocabulary in every conversation. I turn down distractions when I'm learning. I set up a small goal every day. I look forward to speaking more fluently. I turn on subtitles when watching English movies. I hold on to my dream of becoming fluent. I bring up interesting topics to practice conversation. I stay on track by practicing every single day. Incredible work! You just completed 30 powerful sentences. You showed up, you spoke out loud, and you stayed with it. That's the spirit of this shadowing challenge. Keep practicing with me every day. You are making real progress. See you in the next session, and remember, you're not alone on this journey. I'm here with you. Let's keep going one sentence at a time. See you in the next practice. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.